Peel it nicely. These are the peeling part. These are the edible part. Now wash it 3 to 4 times nicely. Wash it carefully. It may be occur itching. Drain all the water. Now boil it in hot water. Give little bit of salt in it. Cover it for a while. Drain all the boiling water. Wash it once again. Drain all the water. Give any type of oil in a hot pan. Give 1 teaspoon black cumin seed. Dry chili 1 to 3. After dry chili, use green chili. Give some black pepper. Fry it. After frying, fry it nicely. Till then all the water dry. Add little bit of salt and turmeric. Now add coconut in it. Slightly fry it. Now make a nice paste. Serve with hot rice and lemon.